I'm Grace Dorantes from Bastrop County, and I am a Healthy Texas Youth Ambassador with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension. Today, I'm going to show you how to use a slow cooker. A slow cooker is an electrical cooker that can be set at a low temperature and can be cooked for relatively long periods of time. To demonstrate how to use a slow cooker, I'm going to use the recipe of Hawaiian pulled pork. For potentially you might want to have some. So basically, it's plain and simple. You're going to plug it in. You're going to put all the meat in there and all your ingredients, season it to whatever you like. You can add some minced ginger and just plop it in there. Or then you're going to put some crushed pineapple. You can just dump it in there, or whatever the recipe calls for. Close it up. Now be mindful to not touch the outsides, because once it is sitting, it can be very hot and you do not want to get burned by this. You're going to put it on a low setting, and from 6 to 8 hours it's going to slowly cook, so you can either go to work or go to the grocery store, you can relax, and it can do all the cooking for you, so you don't have to spend a lot of time and energy on it. After the 6 to 8 hours is completed, you can have, voila, pulled pork sandwiches or even lettuce wraps for a healthier option. You can find this recipe on the Facebook page where this video is taking place.